what help and support is there for young people to access, for them to understand a healthy relationship and what isn't a healthy relationship?
We at Brooke think it's really important that young people have education around healthy relationships. Schools have a duty now under the new curriculum, under the new relationship sexuality education, which is coming into force this September from 2022, and to make sure that this is being taught from primary school age and from infant age all the way up to sixth form. So being able to ensure that they're providing education on healthy relationships. But outside of that, really good places to find information is the organisation that I work for. Brooke has a fantastic website full of really, really good, useful information about relationships, as well as all things relating to online safety, sexual health things, all different topics. But there's also some other really good services. So NSPCC have some really good resources, as well as Childline. But also here in Wales, we've got a bilingual service called Make as well. And the helpline, I don't know if you've ever heard of it, MEIC. And it's a dedicated helpline that offers both English and Welsh services for young people. You can text them, you can ring them, you can go on their website, but they are places you can go to. And also, we just say a trusted adult, somebody that you feel that you can talk to, that you can explain things to understand what is a healthy relationship and what is not. But anything that upsets you or anything that makes you feel a bit unhappy, we would definitely always recommend speaking to an adult.